In this video, I will show you how to add a flip a coin feature in hosting your website builder. So to get started, go ahead and look for a code you can copy to be able to add a flip coin feature to your website. Now go ahead and open hosting your website builder on the other tab and sign in into your account. Once you're signed in into your account, go ahead and head over into the websites tab and click on websites list. Now under the websites list, go ahead and scroll down and look for that specific website to where you want to add a flip coin feature. Go ahead and click on that edit website button beside that specific website. Now once you're on the website, go ahead and scroll down into the area where you want to add the flip coin feature. On the left side of your screen, you'll be able to find the tools section. So go ahead and click on that add element button under the tools section. So that is where you can actually find the embed code tool. Drag the embed code tool into the section where you want to add the flip a coin feature. Click on that enter code button and go ahead and remove this text. Head back to W3 Schools and copy the entire code. Now go ahead and head back into hosting your website builder and paste that code into the section and click on that embed code button. Be able to embed that into the website. So you can go ahead and place it where you want it to be placed. Click on that update website button at the top right of your screen. That's basically how you can add a flip a coin feature in hosting your website builder. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.